Different sources of information, action principles. Most people wait until they get information. Most people wait until they get information about their products, about the market needs, about the presentation of their products or their services, about the future of their products and their services. And they sort of say, well, sometimes customers tell us what they want. That is not good enough. You have to be on the information side about the market, about the environment in which you work. You have to be the same thing as everywhere else. You have to be self-starting, you have to be future-oriented, and you have to overcome barriers. What does it mean to be self-starting in looking for sources of information? The first thing is you are active in getting information. You don't wait for information to be given to you. That's the very first thing. So if you are waiting for customers to tell you something, you can wait forever. But the customer alone is not the only source of information. Sometimes you have to ask the question, what will happen in my environment? What will happen in terms of the competitive situation in my environment? It could very well be that another company will try to do something very similar to what you are doing in your environment, and you will lose all the customers that you have now. You have to think about that. Is that one part of what you are worrying about, what you are thinking about? If it's not, you should. You should ask the question, in which way does it change if my area is now connected with a tarred road to some bigger area? A tarred road will change your environment tremendously. And any other kinds of things, like for example, if more tourists come in, or if a multinational comes in, what will change? Or if Chinese products are more prevalent, whatever it is, your market environment needs to be understood. You need to understand it. And you need to think of, how do I get information now? Many different types of information. And often you don't like the information that you're getting because it makes you worried, or it's negative, or people tell you that they don't like something that you are doing. Don't be afraid of that. As a matter of fact, like it. It's gold in your hands, because it gives you information that you need to actually deal with in the future, and you can do it now. So be future-oriented. And I said so easily, get to know a Chinese if you don't know anybody who is Chinese. I know this is not easy, but you have to again overcome obstacles. So ask your friends, ask around, who knows a Chinese who can tell me a little bit about the kinds of products that the Chinese will probably bring in the future in my area of work, in my area of my firm. So be active, be future-oriented, and deal with the obstacles that you will have to deal with, and always have a second, third, maybe fourth type of information. Don't just go in one area. Don't just go with one source. Go with many sources.